Are you a homeowner looking to leave the state of California and you need to sell? I'm Cody Stamm with Whissel Realty Group, and I'm going to provide you with some of the ways that we can help you get your journey started to wherever you're calling home next. First things first, let me provide you with a free home evaluation and market analysis to help determine a price for your home that's going to be most attractive for today's buyers. Secondly, I'll be providing you access to multiple types of ways that you can sell your home, whether it be utilizing our trademark 7-day listing launch on the open market or something a little less conventional like our trade-in program, which can allow you to unlock equity in your home today to purchase wherever you're going next. Lastly, I believe firmly that who represents you matters. So one of my main goals for you when you're making this journey is to be connecting you with a top agent wherever you decide to go. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna want a local expert and you're gonna want some trusted boots on the ground. I'm Cody Stamm with Whissel Realty Group, and if you'd like to learn more about how you can sell your home and move on to wherever you call home next, feel free to call me at the number below.